Hello my friends, this is Mariana Crawford and welcome to another Get Ready With Me. This is a blur stick. This is a Milk Makeup blur stick and it's kind of like skin tint, but it's not. It doesn't give you any color at all. And you put it on and it just like, it makes your skin look a little matte. It mattifies your face. But I don't see that it actually blurs, it just mattifies. I don't know. It's weird because you don't really feel that much on your skin. It's not that slippery or anything, but there is something on it. It's a very weird product. Still checking it out. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty foundation in 220, and I'm gonna concentrate this in the center of my face and spread it outward. Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation in the shade Y505. It's a really dark shade, but it worked yesterday because I put it all over my contouring areas, and I just want to try it out again. I thought it was interesting how cool it looked. And I'm just gonna put it in the perimeter of my face. And then on my jawline. Alright. I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier powder. I'm tapping off the excess and I'm just gonna press it into the skin. I'm gonna be using my Soft Glam palette. I feel like doing 3 looks with this. I have this called Drive Me Crazy Supershock. Cheek color. Alright, that's a pretty color. I like that a lot. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the dark shade, the number 2. Putting that on the tail end of my brows. I'm going to use my Pacifica Stunning Brows Eyebrow Gloss and Set. For the first shade, I'm going to use Orange Soda for the first shade. I'm putting that in the crease. Okay, now I'm going to put in a little bit of, sienna. Okay, so next is a little bit of the brown. I feel like putting a little bit of brown in there. I'm going to use the Luxie 239. And I'm going to be using Rustic, which is this one right here. It's brown. Putting a little bit of that brown in the crease on top of that red. Alright. Next, I'm going to do a cut crease. I have Morphe M421 concealer brush, and this is good for cutting the crease. I'm not taking it all the way over. I'm just doing half. Next. So basically, I put it on the lower lid first, very lightly. And then look up, and then it'll give me a little line. Where to put it. Alright. Now that that's on, I'm going to go ahead and put on the brown shade. The brown shade I'm trying to put in the front of the eye. And then I wanted to do, this is the step 2 for the shadow. I wanted to do the sultry one, this one, on the other side. Alright, putting my finger on it and seeing if it comes on a little bit more. Okay, so now for the lower lashes, I want to put on a little bit of a darker brown for the lower side, the vintage step 3 Gold Girl. And I'm going to do the brown that I had in the crease, this one, Rustic. And I'm going to put that as close to the lashes as possible and smudge it out. Take a small blending brush, my M506 mini blending brush, and I'm going to take a little bit of the burnt orange, this one, and smudge it on the lower lashes. Alright, so I am going to flake off any kind of glitter that may have fallen. For eyeliner, using my Kat Von D liner. I'm going to use my Target's mascara. I'm going to use a little bit of Vacation from the Morphe and Bretman Babe in Paradise. Just put that right at the highest points of my cheeks, nose, chin, Cupid's bow. I'm going to use a little bit of that in the inner corner too. I'm going to use my Cover FX setting spray. This one is an illuminating setting spray, so it has little particles of glitters. So I'm going to cover my clothes. Okay, I'm going to use Spanked. Spanked is from Fenty Beauty, Mademoiselle. And now that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!